Okay, back into the attic we go. Alright, so first off, you're going to notice something very different that's in here. I went back behind all the way through there to get that piece of duct. And it's going to be hard to climb back there anyways. But eventually we're going to put a door right there. Alright, so you may notice that there is a new switch here. So we're going to turn this on and it's going to give you an idea of what's in there. So in 3, 2, 1, ta-da! We have the lights in. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lights. I'm imitating Robotnik. Alright, so and you've noticed that we got some drywall up. Some sheetrock. What do you call it? Yeah, let me tell you, drywall is a pain in the ass to get up there. And you can see we messed up there. We zoom in. So, but we still have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe 10 sheets. 9 to 10 sheets more to put in. Alright, so but anyways, we got some lights. Anyways, now the lights. So you notice that that we got all the lights in. But however, my dad and I had trouble feeding the wire. But my dad and I couldn't get these two to work at first. So we had to try both replacing the lights and replacing the replacing the fuse boxes, or what do you call them? But eventually, however, I don't know how, but we got them to work. So, but anyways, I'm gonna take you up on the ladder and show you what they're like. So they come with a plug. They come with a cable that you could plug into the fuse box that you have to wire up. So if for any reason you need to take them out, you could just take them out and then service them, put it back in, whatever. So anyways, this is but actually here's a nice view of the shop right here. It's got insulation. And this is going to be kind of warm up here, so. Alright, so let me get off this ladder. I'm going to show you what the lights look like. Alright, first off, here are the lights. And this is the fuse box right here. And inside the fuse box, there's a little thermostat where you can control the temperature of the lights. That's pretty handy. You could save energy by doing that. But we have them up to 5,000 for some of them, because I think that was the problem, is they were all the way up on 5,000 instead of low. Well, we just have one. We have the two that we couldn't get to work on 3,000, I believe. But yeah, we did a pretty good job here. Still need to attend to that. That's going to be hard because we screwed up right there. We have one more sheet here. And we need to do something about the outlets here. And this one, no, they're not hooked up yet. I don't think. But they will be eventually. Yeah, this is gonna be a great shop for me. And that outlet right there, that GFCI outlet right there, is for the dishwasher. But maybe we should put the door right here. So eventually that goes into the attic so we can service the other Lennox furnace. But apparently we can't build this wall yet because building material is so damn expensive right now that we can't afford to build this wall and extend it to Hackworth vacuums. So we're gonna have to put a door here, and that's gonna suck because we already have a door here and we need this to be perfectly aligned. Yeah, but so first off, when I come through here, to get to the shop, I'm gonna take this piece of carpet out, and we're gonna need to use one of these scraps I have right here, and I'm gonna roll it out, and it's gonna guide me to the shop. So if I have to come in here with my socks on, I won't have to walk across the wood, to walk across the OSB, because I heard it's not good. But I do it anyways, and it's not the best decision. So, but anyways, it's starting to have an echo in here. So anyways, that does it for this video. We will keep you updated.